In this video, I will discuss the 5S methodology and its application. Follow my website for more content. The link is in the description. 5S is a 5-step methodology for creating a more organized and productive workspace: sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. 5S serves as a foundation for deploying more advanced lean production tools and processes. What is the 5S methodology? The 5S methodology is often summarized by the philosophy of a place for everything and everything in its place. You may have heard of KonMari, a home organization system propagated by Marie Kondo. The KonMari method transforms cluttered homes into tidy and simplified living spaces. The 5S principles are similar to KonMari. However, saying that 5S is just about tidying is like saying yoga is just about stretching. In other words, there is much more depth. So, let's explore the true intent and meaning of 5S. 5S Japanese words. 5S originated as 5 Japanese words. 1. Seiri. 2. Sitong. 3. Saisu. 4. Seiketsu. 5. Shitsuke. In English, these 5S words have come to be known as 1. Sort, eliminate that which is not needed. 2. Set in order, organize what remains after sorting. 3. Shine, clean and inspect the work area. 4. Standardize, write standards for 5S. 5. Sustain, consistently apply the 5S standards. At their core, 5S activities build the discipline needed for substantial and continuous improvement by creating and sustaining efficient and effective work areas. What are the benefits of a 5S program? The key benefits of a 5S program include 1. Creating space within your facility by removing unnecessary tools and equipment. 2. Reducing waste from unnecessary motion by organizing the workspace. 3. Reducing downtime and improving quality by consistently maintaining equipment. 4. Engaging operators by granting them more responsibility for their work environment. 5. Creating a safer work environment by ensuring it is clean and well maintained. Now that you have a better understanding of why 5S is important and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, let's learn more about each of the 5S steps. Who should participate in 5S? Here's the short answer to this question: everyone. If a department is starting 5S, managers and all other employees should be included. If anyone is left out, this could lead to confusion or to messes that people don't want to take ownership of. It is possible that some people will play a bigger role in 5S than others, which is fine. There might be 5S coordinators who are in charge of installing and maintaining 5S labeling, keeping track of assigned tasks, or introducing new department members to the 5S system. These people will obviously spend a lot of time thinking about 5S compared to others. Everyone should think about 5S regularly, though. 5S might initially take place as an event, but ideally, it becomes a part of daily work for everyone. It's also important to remember that company leaders should participate in 5S, especially if 5S is a company-wide effort. When people see their superiors taking 5S seriously by participating in it, they'll be more likely to take it seriously, too. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.